Hello everyone, this is Kanksha Gangapuram and you're watching HyBiz News. Samsung Galaxy M33 5G sale has gone live for the first time in India today on Samsung.com, Amazon.in and select retail stores. Galaxy M33 5G features a 5nm octa-core chipset with up to 24G headset clock speed, a 6000 mAh battery, 6.6-inch FHD plus display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. It also comes with RAM Plus, which provides up to 16 GB of virtual RAM to help multitask. Galaxy M33 5G packs a 6000 mAh battery with reserve charging support. Galaxy M33 5G support a 25-volt charger. It is protected by the Gorilla Glass 5. Galaxy M33 5G is priced at 18,999 for 6 GB plus 128 GB and 20,499 for 8 GB plus 128 GB variant. Under a limited period introductory launch offer, Galaxy M33 5G will be available at 17,999 for the 6 GB plus 128 GB variant and Rs 19,499 for the 8 GB plus 128 GB variant. Additionally, ICICI Bank card users can avail of instant cashback of 2,000 rupees, making the effective starting price of Galaxy M33 5G at 15,999. Thank you for watching HyBiz News.